Good morning, Peter Snack. We are standing here in front of your booth at the Intertraffic in Amsterdam. Good morning. Can you tell us a little bit more about Scheidt&Bachmann?
Yes, of course. First of all, also good morning to you. Scheidt&Bachmann is a family-owned company since 1872. The company founder, Mr. Bachmann, continued the business now over 5 generations, and it's still 100% completely family-owned, so we don't have shareholder value issues or this kind of things. We still can do our business without any interruptions of other parties. What is important to know about Scheidt&Bachmann is we have 4 different divisions. We started in 1872 with the signaling division. Then in 1932 we started with the petrol pump section, and then in the 70s with the parking division and leisure system division, which includes spas and stadiums and other events halls, and of course then fare collection divisions. And we all run these 4 divisions still today, which makes us unique because we're the only company in the parking industry that has these 4 divisions and has a real interoperability in traffic systems.
Okay, and how do you think the parking industry will develop in the coming years?
Well, the parking industry will not be that closed as it was in the past, so we're not talking anymore about barriers and some pay-on-foot machines. I think what will happen is in future we have to open all our software and hardware much more to other systems, to be much more interoperable, to systems that are related to traffic overall, to car systems, to tolling systems, so everything that is somehow related to mobility. And this is why also Scheidt&Bachmann says mobile solutions for a mobile world.
Okay, and how does your company anticipate on these developments?
Well, we have several levels how we anticipate this. Number one is, of course, if I'm just talking within the parking division, we have created a new technology that is called car-to-infrastructure, which of course enables us now to communicate with cars. So when you enter a car park in future, the car will be your ticket, and the car will also be your credit card. But the car will also be the point of communication for the parking operators in future, and of course for all other services that are around parking. Then on top we have our new product Intervo, which is built in a way that it's modular, includes already modules that are not only related to the clear or classic parking as we know it from the past. Now it also includes features that are from auditing, from reporting features up to CCTV, intercom systems and whatever's related to the parking world today, even to building management systems. So this is what reflects the new product Intervo that we launch on this Intertraffic. If we talk about Scheidt&Bachmann overall, we're the first company that really starts interoperability. So this means we have now a solution with the car-to-infrastructure technology that also talks to our petrol pumps. So when you come in future to a petrol station, the car will identify himself at the petrol pump. All the other fuels will go down, and you will only be able to get the right fuel for your car. So number one problem that happens in the car industry is that people get the wrong fuel in their car. This will not be possible in future anymore. So this already shows you the interoperability of this technology that we're using now in parking, but also in petrol. On top, we have a new solution that is used for park and ride systems. We have one division that does ticketing and fare collection systems, and those systems will in future integrate into the parking industry in the parking product of Scheidt&Bachmann. So you will be able to do pay per space. You go on a fare collection machine, you buy at the same time your parking ticket, and you don't need any more pay and display machines in future. This is just to give you some ideas. But I know that my time is limited. I could continue here for several hours talking about new technologies.
I would like to know very shortly what makes your Intervo the unique or right solution for the industry?
Well, first of all, Intervo is the new product that Scheidt&Bachmann launched based on its current products that we had in the past. So what we have done is we had an external company that came to Scheidt&Bachmann with a group of psychologists, watched the eyes of the users and tried to make it as intuitive as other products are today, like the iPod and other products in other industries. So they followed the eyes, and now we adapted our product to the users, in this case the cashiers in most cases, and of course also the auditing departments. What is a very unique issue is Entervo is the only product in the parking industry so far, at least that I'm aware of, that is web browser based. This means that from wherever in the world you can dial into a system through a VPN line without having the Entervo parking software on your home PC, and then you can have the same functions as if you would be on site. This of course gives now the possibility that you can spend a lot more overtime at home also. You can do services, of course you can do auditing, reporting, everything from your home PC. But the main advantage is you don't have to buy a lot of different licenses anymore, which will make the product also cheaper. Another very unique thing for Scheidt&Bachmann is we have different modules that are integrated in our new software Entervo. Those modules are made in a way that they are fully integrated, so they're always combined with the ticket processing, the so-called EPAN in the Scheidt&Bachmann world. And this gives you, of course, a lot of combination modules that you can't find with any other vendor in the market. And besides this, Scheidt&Bachmann keeps it that open that you have always the possibility of choosing a fully Scheidt&Bachmann integrated solution, but also, if you want to, third-party products that are used in our system. So it's an open source system, it's an open idea that we have behind our new software Entervo.
Okay, and what can we expect from Scheidt&Bachmann in the near future?
You can expect quite a lot. As I already said in the beginning, with the interoperability, we will have a lot of cross functions that we will have now with the car industry, with the petrol pump and oil industry, of course. And what you're going to see is now we will have a real new software system that is now made for a mobile world. As we say in our major slogan, mobile systems for a mobile world. So Scheidt&Bachmann will be the future in parking.
Last but not least, can you mention some reference projects?
Of course, we have several nice reference projects, and as you know, we have done several thousand installations worldwide, but just to pick some that we did last year, we installed the airport of San Francisco, which is a very nice new site, and I just can invite everybody to go there and maybe also afterwards to spend some time at Fisher Wharf to have some fun. What is a very interesting project is the project The Link. This is a project that we have done in Hong Kong, where we had basically 342 car parks to connect and to equip, of course, to each other. The specialty of this project was that we only had 12 months to install all these 342 car parks. The other specialty was that we had to use already web or browser connections, so the system works over the internet. And this in an environment where we face today Chinese cheap product competitors, and the customer still decided to go with Scheidt&Bachmann. We're now in the process of finishing this up, this project, and this will be, I think, a master reference for the parking industry worldwide. Another very nice project which shows already interoperability is the project of the exhibition center in Stuttgart, where we have combined parking with the exhibition access, so the person access. Over internet you can already book and buy your entrance tickets for the car park, but also for the show itself. You can use this ticket at the entrance, then you will get another ticket that runs through the system, of course, with you, because the home printed tickets are not always the best quality. But this gives you a lot of future options, just to give you some ideas of what happens in the parking world so far.